Okay, let's have a look. DSE question again, 2012, box and whisker diagram. Okay, this kind of question always can see in DSE question, box and whisker diagram. So let's see. Here is the distribution of the time taken by a large group, okay, of a student of an athletic club to finish 100-meter race. That is here, okay. So the intercalated range and the range are this one. Intercalated range 3.2 seconds, range 6.8 seconds. Ask you to find A and B. Here is A and here is B. So do you remember? Range, that means the highest and the lowest difference between these two. And what is the intercalated range? That means Q3 minus Q1. Okay, so let's see. About the range, you see that 6.8 is the range, right? So 18.1 minus A equals 6.8. So A is 11.3, right? How about intercalated range? Intercalated range equals 3.2, right? So B minus 12.1 equals 3.2. So B equals 15.3. So A, B, not difficult for you to find it out. Part B. The student joined a training program, right? It's found that the longest time taken by student to finish 100-meter race after the training is 2.9 seconds less than that before the training. The trainer claims that at least 25% of students show improvement in the time taken to finish a 100-meter race after the training. Do you agree? Explain your answer. Now, let's see. You see that the longest time after training is 15.2. Okay, that means the greatest value. After training, greatest value 15.2. Before training, the upper quartile is 15.3. That means B. And now, which is greater than 15.2? That means the new one here. Okay, 15.2. Right, and you found that. Okay, what happened now? Do you remember what are the percentage of this forwarded petition? Yeah, 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. So you found that if this one after training the time is 15.2, that means what? Yeah, there are more than, or say that at least 25% of student shows the improvement. Okay, so you see that here 25%, right? So the claim is agreed. Okay, so hope you understand about the box and whisker diagram. Okay, now let's have a look at another kind of figure. Here, stem and leaf diagram. Have a look. Again, this one is 2012 questions. Okay, number 7, and this one is number 10. Have a look. Tom conducted a survey on the number of hours spent on doing homework in a week by secondary students. Questionnaires are sent out and 20 of them are returned. stem and leaf diagram below shows the number of hours recorded in the 20 questionnaires. Here's the stem and leaf. Ask you to find the mean and the median of the number of hours recorded in the 20 questionnaires. Okay, so you need to find the mean, right? Find the mean and the median. Median, that means you just according to the number. Okay, so there are 20 questionnaires, so pick up the 10th and 11th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 and 11. 10th, 11th, that means this two add up and then divide by 2. So 6 plus 6, no, it's 16 plus 16 divided by 2. So it's 16. So median, not difficult. So this is the median, 16 hours. How about mean? Then you need to pick up all the values and calculate. So you see that this one, okay, just move it down and show this one. So what is the mean? You add up all the values, all the data. So 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, and so on. Add up all the values and then divide it by 20. So 18 hours. 18 hours. Understand? So 18 hours is the mean and 16 hours is the median. Okay. B. Tom received 4 more questionnaires and he found that the mean of the numbers of hours recorded in these 4 questionnaires is 18. It is found that the number of hours recorded in 2 of these 4 questionnaires are 19 and 20. Okay, this one is mean of the 4 questionnaires, and 2 of them are 19 and 20. That means 2 data. Part B1. Write down the mean of the numbers of hours recorded in the 24 questionnaires. Okay, what is the mean? Okay, because here you know 4 new questionnaires is 18. Original is 18 too. That means no change in mean. So the mean is 18 hours, just the same. Okay. Part B2. Is it possible that the median of the number of hours recorded in 24 questionnaires is the same as the median found in A? Are they the same? Explain it. Okay. So what can we do? That means you need to think, okay, there are 4 new values. What should we put in? Okay. If the mean are the same and you know that 19 and 20, okay, 19 and 20, it must line up here, 19 and then 20. Okay, if we want to have the same or median, then what can we do? Okay, later on check it. Just have a look. Okay, now I let A and B be the number of hours of 2 other questionnaires. So A plus B plus 19 plus 20 over 4 is 18. Okay, so A plus B equals 33. Okay, then goes on to have a look. If now two medians are the same, then A and B must smaller or equals 16. That means here, or smaller than 16, because you want to have the same median. Okay, if this one smaller than 16, so 8 plus 2 must smaller than or equals to 32. However, A plus B equals 33. That means it's impossible, since A plus B is 33. So the answer is it is not possible that two median are the same. OK， 既然呢兩個夾埋係要細過32嘅話，但係 A 加 B 一定係等於33嘅喎，因為頭先個 mean 係一樣嘛，咁所以呢個就冇可能係相同嘅 median 啦。OK， 因為19、20你一定係擺咗喺呢度之後，原先個 median 喺度，咁另外嗰兩個就一定喺呢邊啦。OK， OK， so you see question 10, question 7, all of these two are the statistics. And how about 15? 15 actually is section B question. Let's see. Now here's standard deviation. 又係 SD 啦。As the standard deviation of test score obtained by a class of student in a mathematics test is 10 marks. Okay, standard D 10 marks. Okay. All the students found in the test show that the test score of each student adjusted such that each score increased 20% and extra 5 marks are added. Okay, added. That means increase 20%, not only increase 20% and 5 more marks added. Okay, so now let's see. Ask you to find the standard deviation of the test after score adjustment. 加完之後會點樣呢？究竟？See? Standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation. If increase 20%, that means 10 times 1 plus 20%. Okay, then it's 12 marks. 對於 standard deviation 嚟講，如果你係增加咗20% 嘅話呢，就照乘翻。咁加咗5分有冇影響呢？ Any adjustment after add 5 marks？ 如果齊齊加5分嘅話呢，就只會係咁樣樣，所以對個 dispersion 呢係冇影響嘅。OK， 咁所以呢係唔會影響到個 standard deviation 嘅，所以呢個只係12 marks 啫。OK，Part B. Is there any change in standard score of each student due to the score adjustment? Explain your answer. Okay, so let's see. I let X be the test score and M be the mean of the test score before the score adjustment. 好，未調節之前呢就咁樣樣，所以 standard score before the score adjustment becomes this one. That means X minus M and then over 10. 10 is the standard deviation. Mean score, this one as a test score. Okay, then 如果改變咗嘅話，又會點樣樣呢？我哋睇睇咯。So this one, see? If now the standard score after score adjustment will become this， 每個分乘大咗20% 加5分 ，mean 自然都會係乘咗大20% 再加5分。So this the distance, okay, and then divided by the new standard deviation, 12. So 12, 1.2x plus 5 minus 1.2m minus 5 divided by 12. So pick up the common factor 1.2 and you'll find that x minus m over 10. Same as this the standard score, same as before the score adjustment. So as a result, there's no change in the standard score of each student due to the score adjustment. Okay? So hope you understand about the standard deviation and the relation between the standard score, mean, and the standard deviation. Okay, after certain adjustment, standard score no change. Okay.